Girlies, your girl is back and I'm here with another install. Shout out to OQ Hair. I know y'all seen the beginning. I ate it down, okay? But I'm telling you, this wig came with the quality. So I was so ready to try it on. I did get their Burmese curly glueless wig. It is a 13x6, I believe I have. It's HD lace and it's a wear and go wig. That's why I was able to get this look in 20 minutes or less, you guys. I didn't have to do any extra enhancing to it other than just fixing around my ear tabs a bit. But you guys have the security on this. You have the elastic band, the drawstring in the back for a snug fit, and you have the combs and some grippy material and all this lace to work with. But I felt like I needed to tint the lace a little bit. I'm gonna tell y'all that now. But here's the products that I used. I will link them down in the description box below. And because the beat was on, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and remove the perimeter of my makeup, because when I say I wanted this lace to shine through, I just can tell when a wig is going to really take it there, and it did, okay? So I went ahead and adjusted the wig, made sure the security was to my liking. I love how it has these curlier suit pieces down at the bottom, which is going to allow you to have a really gorgeous curly two textured kind of wig install. So the lace was amazing after I tinted this with the Ebin tint spray or tint mousse, and I cut around the ear tabs. And once I did that, I wanted to get ready to prep my elastic band so I can have a seamless melt to my wig install. So I did switch the spray. I end up using, I want to say it's my bedhead, yes, because the other one really wasn't doing what it needed to do, and I knew this lace could just give scalp really quick. So that's basically what I did. I started working on one side first, and I pulled out the blow dryer. I pulled out my rat tail comb, because you guys know these are my favorite tools to use to ensure a nice melt to my lace. So when you're dividing your hair, this is one of the ways to get a seamless install, and it really does help your wigs last longer if you're going with the hairspray method versus glue or tapes. And they did incorporate some tapes in the box, you guys, but I didn't want to use that today because I wanted to make sure that this was staying on all week. And yeah, like the hair is so lightweight. It is 250 density, and I have it in a 26 inch. So once the lace was tacky, I held it down with the elastic band that they do provide in the box, and I made sure to cut around all of these pieces that I'm going to create my baby hairs with. So now it's time to easily just manipulate the hair by adding water. That is it, that is all, and a little bit of my beeswax braiding foam. Y'all know how I have been loving this product, and I just take a brush to detangle the hair. I make sure to focus on the ends too, because I want to make sure that they're drenched just like the rest of the hair. And I love how the two texture vibe is with this unit. So when you do add like any products, whether it's leave-in conditioner or a foam, you do have the curlier pieces towards the end. And the detangling process was a breeze. I didn't have excessive shedding, anything like that. The hair smelled amazing. I was really shocked. It smelled like they actually washed the hair before sending it to me. Try to speed it up but also slow it down so you can get into this curl pattern. Like, look at the hair luster, look at the quality. I didn't want to put too much product onto the hair, so I always kept mixing it with a lot of water so the curls can still shine through. So once I was happy with the overall like pattern, I did remove the elastic band. That is necessary to wait when you have curlier textures, especially if you're going to add like water to lift up. You don't want your lace to lift up. So now I'm just swooping the edges. This was such an easy process. I was shocked I didn't have to use any tweezers to pluck the excess hair. This was the perfect pre-plucked wig that I was able to customize super easy, and I was really happy with the outcome. I cut the ear tabs like super perfect to my head shape, so I was happy that I didn't have any gapping. And I did add my bed head holdings, and I pressed my curling irons on top to ensure that they were staying in place. This was, I lied to you not, I got this installed in 20 minutes. When they say wear and go, they mean wear and go. Look at how amazing the curl is. Just imagine this unit on vacation. Yes, I'm definitely taking it on vacation. So I did add the black hairspray just to close up the part a bit, and I was obsessing over the entirety of this. But I will link all of OQ's information down in the description box below, you guys. This is my first time trying this company, and it won't be my last. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see my girls in the next one.